Danger.
Come on, open it up. Get your face there. That's good. Come on, baby. Wilson, get out of my way.
I'm trying to get a video of it. Oh my gosh. This is like... That head is small. Look at it compared to your fingernail.
It's so tiny.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna eat it. Oh, look, it has stuff. It has it in there now.
Mm-hmm.
It ate. You're okay, baby. Settle down.
You get a picture?
Oh yeah, I got a video of it.
A video.
Well look, it's like her thumb, her fingernail is like huge
Oh,
compared
tiny
to it.
little baby bird. It's okay. Come on, have a little more. Come on. Good job. Come on, baby.
Eat.
No? All right, you don't have to have any more if you don't want any more. You still have some in your cup.
Keep trying.
More? Okay. Come on. Put it in your napkin after we're done because it's going to be disgusting. Come on. Come
You
on.
have to kind of wipe them off a little bit too.
Come on.
If it dries on their beaks, it's stiff and hard.
It's like glue. Glue their mouth shut.
Open your mouth up again. Good. Come on. That's a good baby. Come on, baby bird. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Come on. You're so tiny. You want a little more? Come on. Open your beak. Oh my God. It's so little. This isn't tired.
Only Alyssa and Jan would do something like this. Try to save that little of a bird. So what is the story? Like, why is it not having mama?
She gave up.
Has a mama, it just abandoned her.
Basically a
Yeah,
bad
yeah,
mama, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, good, good.